Hey, hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this particular video, we're gonna cover what is MFCC in audio processing. I will explain MFCCs in single term with real-time examples. So without wasting any single time, let's get started. So let's understand what is MFCC. MFCC are Mel-Frequency Cepstral Coefficients. It is a way to represent the short-term power spectrum of a sound. Based on how human perceives sound, MFCC also work like the same way. Commonly it is used in speech and music recognition system. Let's understand why we use MFCCs. Human ears are more sensitive to certain frequencies. MFCC mimics this. It captures the quality of audio, not pitch. Give more important to this particular sentence. Captures quality of audio, not pitch. It converts complex audio data into small feature. If I give an example, like summarizing a book into keywords, like that. Let's see what are the real life uses of MFCC. First is speaker recognition. We use MFCCs in Google Assistant, Siri, Alexa to understand the commands. Second is speaker identification. We use MFCC to recognize who is speaking based on voice features. Third is music genre qualification. We can use MFCCs to categorize music in different categories like rock, jazz, classical, using audio features. Fourth is emotion detection in voice. We can detect if the speaker is happy, sad, angry, etc. Let's see a simple flow diagram from recording an audio sample to getting MFCC. First, we have to record an input audio. Second thing, we have to convert that particular audio input into multiple frames. Then we can apply a fast Fourier transform on that particular frames. After that, mill filter bank, then logarithmic of powers, then discrete cosine transform, and at the end we'll get our MFCCs. Let's summarize what we have covered in this particular video. MFCCs help computers understand audio like humans do. These are widely used in speaker and music processing. It is a key step in many audio machine learning pipelines. So in the next video, we'll cover how to extract MFCCs in Python with Librosa. If you are new to the channel, like, share and subscribe and follow for more audio processing tutorials.